different. And EduTrainX was really helpful to me to understand those individual tasks. I think there are more than 20 tasks in PT. Uh, I only 2 to 3 of them coincide and are similar to IELTS, while rest of them were completely new.
Hello everyone. Today is a very special moment for us. We have Ruta here from Sydney, who got an overall score of 90 in her PT exam in the very first attempt, with just 1.5 months of preparation with us. She needed 79 in all bands for her PR application, but she managed to get an overall 90 score with 90 in speaking, listening, and reading, and 85 in writing. Isn't that an amazing score? So first of all, a big congratulations to Ruta on achieving this feat, and I'm really happy for your success and what you have achieved in so less time. So how are you feeling about this success today?
I'm feeling really happy, Anurag, that anybody would definitely feel getting an overall score of 90. And moreover, I'm out of the exhaustion and of the saturation of preparing for the exams. So yes, it's a really good and proud moment and happy moment for me. And it was really critical for my PR application. So yeah, I'm happy and feeling good about that.
Brilliant. Now you can get what you wanted. So Ruta, you gave IELTS before, which was not successful, and PT is quite a different exam and also new to you as well. So how did you prepare for it?
So, well, Anurag, as people would know that IELTS is completely a different exam than PT, though the sections are same with respect to speaking, writing, reading, but the tasks which are thrown in IELTS and which are thrown in PT are way different. And EduTrainX was really helpful to me to understand those individual tasks. I think there are more than 20 tasks in PT. I only 2 to 3 of them coincide and are similar to IELTS, while rest of them were completely new. And they all need to be tackled in a different way, with a different strategy and with a different understanding, with maybe a bit of a more skill set, more of grammatical skill sets which were required in PT, which was not a requirement in IELTS. So it was a completely different thing. And to cope up with those things, EduTrainX and EduTrainX strategies, platform, the AI, and your personal attention, everything did help me a lot in those things.
I'm sure you deserve this score with all the effort that you put. For our viewers, I just want to ask you, how did you find the EduTrainX teaching and how about our PT learning software? I believe all of these played a crucial role in your success.
It definitely played a crucial role. So starting off first with the live classes which I enrolled, it was really good to get an overview, get a practice with other people on each and every different task every day, and it also helped me focus on a particular task on a particular day. And that's how the way you have structured your live class is also really good, wherein in 1 month's time you can prepare like all the tasks with focus on each of them. Then your personal attention and the way you helped me give the tips and tricks, the one which you gave me before the day of the exam, was also really helpful. And the bespoke AI platform that you have, which is on the point, which is stricter than PT exam, what made me more than ready for the exam. So all these things which EduTrainX has to offer really helped me for the exam.
Well, we can't be more happy when our students succeed, and you took a good step by registering with us for the paid PT training. And you didn't rely just on the free stuff that is available on the YouTube. And thank you for your kind words about us. Last question, how did you keep yourself motivated? Did you want to give any special message to the people preparing for the PT exam?
I think you have to stay focused on what you're trying to achieve out of it. And also, you should let your family be known that, yes, you are going to appear for an exam, because it's really important that others in your family support you. I'm staying outside India. We don't have domestic help over here. So, my family
Yeah.
supported me a lot with my child and domestic course. I would say that was really helpful. And also, with EduTrainX templates, when I was prepared and I was practicing them on a continuous basis, that was really helpful to me to keep it calm. That even if I don't know what is going to be thrown at me, but I know how to approach
Right.
it full. And there are many things to distract you. You know, there are many. Even I got distracted with some of the YouTube videos that the PT's AI has changed, or
Yes.
you should skip some questions and all. So I was lured to skip some type of questions because there was too many. But then
Mhm.
I spoke with Anurag and he helped me understand that you should not skip questions because that's not going to help you get a good score. You need to strategize. You need to understand how to tackle those difficult situations. So having a strategy in mind, having templates in mind, I think those things make you calm, and of course, your house environment and being mentally focused helps. Helps to be focused and being calm because things are settled and things are handled.
So that's a very useful advice for all the PT aspirants that Ruta just shared with us now. So viewers, if you really want to be successful like Ruta, who saved time, money and frustration that people have to go through while preparing for their exam multiple times. So don't make the same mistake that other people are making. Invest money on yourself in preparing for the exam well. In the end, I would like to thank Ruta for joining us here and sharing her amazing PT journey with us. So we wish her all the best for the future and hope this video inspires others who are watching it today and preparing for their exam. Good luck to everyone, and thank you, Ruta, again for joining us.
Thank
All the
you.
best.